Hey everybody, this is Wingknight8868. I know I haven't done one of these in a while. I am continuing the Ratchet and Clank 2002 for PS3 walkthrough slash playthrough. In our last episode, we covered the world that we're on now, which is exactly, if I remember correctly, alright, Planet Novalis. Now,
Hello, citizens of...
anyway, I think we pretty much covered this one, so let me just make double sure I got everything. Yep, everything's good. Now we are going to be going to the next planet for this one, and we will be going for the walkthrough of... Sorry, it's been a while, so give me some breaks here. Not the Tobrok Crater. We're going to Metropolis, Kurwan. Now, like I said on this series before, I will be doing planet by planet as long as time allows. And I'm still perfecting my camera angle and the recording equipment, so please work with me here. I do take requests on games to play. If I have them, I will play them. I believe in this one you visit Al's Robo Shack, but you also get the swing shot, which is a tool you get by completing Son of a Quark's obstacle course. As you can see, you break anything in your mama around here, you get bolts, which counts as currency.
Welcome to the Captain Quark Fitness Course. If you're strong enough, fast enough, and clever enough to beat my fitness challenge, you will receive a reward from my head trainer. Simply make your way to the third island to complete the course. Good luck.
Yeah, Fat Helga.
Responsible for sprains, broken bones, snapped tendons, bruised egos, or accidental death incurred while taking the challenge.
Accidental death. Yeah, okay.
Pressing issues. We urgently need your assistance. Clank? Yes? Do you notice anything unusual about Captain Quark? Well, I find
that he's a blowhard.
Spring where his leg should be to be quite puzzling. And why do you think that is? Possibly an injury incurred while battling evil? This isn't the real Captain Quark, you numbskull. It's a robot. Oh.
Yeah, he's an idiot. That would be a mare chick art in the background. I usually break everything in the mama on here so I can try and like get money and stuff, so bit annoying. Now this obstacle course is actually very irritating, I might add. Sorry. I am having controller difficulties. I am sorry. New controller, still working on trying to not have this thing act up on me. I'm sorry.
These moving walls also increase jump slots. Jump and jump again to kick off the walls in the air until you reach the top.
Oh boy.
Ow.
Yeah, ow. Tell me about it.
I hate lethal lava line, you know that.
I will be trying to get back to doing these more often. The reason why I took a hiatus is phone broke, and also I needed replace my recording pole arm. I am once again sorry for the crappy reception. That is not what you're supposed to do. Like I said, it's been a while. I usually get this done first try, so... This game is old school and irritating. So, trying to get this level done as fast as I can. Just slide on down. Oh look! It's Fat Helga.
Listen up, you log balls. That was the most pathetic display I have ever seen on that obstacle course.
What do you mean? We finished the circuit, ma'am.
Oh, yeah, but it is weak. Weak. When I was competing, I would devour courses like that for breakfast.
Yeah, what else?
Not all.
If it were up to me, you would drill for the rest of the day. But somehow you managed to impress that fool Captain Quark.
Captain Quark knows about us?
He certainly does. And worst of all, he wants me to give you a prize for that ridiculous performance.
Cool, what is it?
I'm supposed to give you a swing shot. So
Swing shot!
you would crawl like little insects.
All right, let's see it.
Not so fast. Today, the two of you disgraced my obstacle course, so I am going to make you pay.
But
Rather not.
$1,000 from the captain. That's not fair.
Too bad. Life's not fair.
Yeah, neither is your figure.
Sweet. I bet Captain Quark uses stuff like this all the time.
Ha! Real men can swing without silly toys like that. The two of you make me sick.
Yeah, make that snort noise again, because you look like a fat pig.
On your new Gadgetron swing shot. Use it on the standard burst targets like the ones in the If the target is out of view, use the L1 button to move.
Let me see.
Sorry, once again, I want to apologize for, go to the gadgets menu.
Oh, that's why.
Click select. Swing shots in there. Basically, that's the whole shtick. And then you slide on back down. Now I'm heading to Al's Robo Shack, which I have to do. Stop here at the Gadgetron vendor, see if I can get any weapons. No, that's the flamethrower. That'll work. Max me out. Oh yeah! Machine pistol. How you doing?
Click and center the camera. Just tap the L1 button.
Say hello to my little friend, jokers. Jeez, my mother, I have better... Jeez, my mom's got better aim than me when she's drunk with a chancla. I know, right?
No, Nessie's giving me troubles today.
Who's Nessie?
The sea dragon in the Haze Maze level?
Oh, that Joker. Love that little... You mean the Lapras looking thing?
It's Nessie.
Nice. Did you activate the green caps yet?
I'm trying to get to the star first.
Ooh. Just basically go on a cap spree. That's the best thing you can do.
Got it.
Shout out to Amir Chick Art in the background for helping me out with my setup, as always.
Turns out I need 30 stars, not 12.
Could have told you that.
I'm at 19, and that's just off 2 worlds, 2 secret stars. And
Down, boy.
and 2 blue and 1 in S. 1 in the Haze Maze.
Haze Maze. Oh yeah, Haze Maze. Never mind. By the way, try and break anything that's breakable, because really you can get money.
That's true of most of any games, though. Think about it.
True.
It might be going the right way. Don't think so.
Oh look, it's a nerd.
That's the man we saw on the infobot. Remember? He knows Captain Quark. Hey, you're that
Hey.
robot guy, right?
Oh no.
No,
That
actually,
one on
I
there.
build robots.
I
I
wanna be
myself
lost.
am not a robot guy, per se.
This one. That's right.
I like him.
So, now that we've cleared that up, what can I do for you?
Well, we saw your infobot announcement. You were with Captain Quark. We're trying to find Captain Quark. We thought you could help us.
Your logic is commendable. However, I haven't seen Captain Quark since we shot that
Alright.
commercial. Say, do you run on
Yep.
standard XP18
Boulders.
sister boards?
Version 7.66.
Back at ya. I may be able to help you out after all. How does a helipack upgrade sound?
Upgrade?
Work elevator to
Since he's a 766, I could have the little guy up and flying in no time.
Nerd.
Of course, I'll just need my fee for service.
I need the metal cap and I need the blue cap.
Okay, this won't hurt a bit.
Hey, wait.
And this
Am
is
I cool now?
yeah,
you the man, Clank.
You're welcome.
okay for today.
1,000 bolts to be able to get that helipack upgrade.
Okay. No, I don't need the
Nerd.
stars this time.
Try using the helipack's boost jump feature to climb these boxes. Press the R1 button to crouch, then jump. You'll need
Don't
your
need
new
that this time.
helipack
I need
stretch
to
jump feature to cross this.
Whee!
While you're running, crouch using the R1 button and then jump.
Nerd.
Do this thing!
Steadily.
Try using the glide feature of your new helipack.
Boom. Boom. I'm using the bomb glove. Probably not my smartest move. But I don't care.
Okay. This is gonna take me all around, isn't it?
What a nerd.
Ah! What? I like my cryptids.
Yeah, I noticed that. And I am epically failing. That's how I know I need to catch my game back up. I never have this much trouble. Ever.
No, I don't need that. I need the freaking metal.
Basically, break anything you see that's breakable. Earn money, bolts, whatever you want to call it. Throwing the wrench sometimes brings back stray bolts to you. Sometimes. Once again, that is a Mary Chick art in the background, screaming her head off like a mad woman.
Well, you would be too if you were trying to guide this thing.
I try not to.
You don't like
And I just got murked.
You don't like Nessie?
Never had a problem with her, but you just got me murked.
I'm sorry.
And I know my friend Jeremy's going to give me crap about this one.
Got it.
But it's
When
up.
we get on the phone with everything good. That's what I was saying.
That would be Robert the Fiend on YouTube.com. In the background as well, that is my brother, and Mary Chick Art would be my wife. Check them out. I definitely recommend it. Especially if you're a wrestling fan, for Robert the Fiend. And if you're into art drawings and stuff, go for Mary Chick Art.
Mary Chick Art hasn't been active lately, so...
Unfortunately. She has been active lately because of issues.
That did not activate the metal cap because I don't know where the thing is. Dang it.
Hopefully my viewers get a really fun laugh out of this. I know Jeremy will. At least I didn't die on the first level. Unlike some people I know. Rookies. Rookies. Losers.
Right.
Campers. Virgins. What?
You're gonna probably have to do the metal cap thing.
Give me a moment.
Not now, I mean later when we're relaxing.
In case you were wondering what we are talking about, my girl needs help with getting the metal cap in Mario N64 for Nintendo Switch. Ow! Now there are secret areas around here, you just gotta find them. A lot of bolts. A lot of currency. Watch out for these red guys. They're explosive. Whoa, Martin's got the zoomies.
Yeah. Probably wants to do it.
As usual. Oh, come on! You gotta be crapping me. Now I gotta do this the hard way. Yeah, but like I was saying, there are secret areas around here that you can get to. The problem is getting to them. Say hello to my wrench, jokers. Handles that. Mutts. See, that's a gold bolt. Sometimes gold bolts come in handy for upgrades and crap like that, but... Gold bolt. Got it. Ah, bloody hell in a handbasket. Infobot. Welcome to the train of mediocrity. Yeah, let's not go that way. Ooh, that had to hurt. Oh. Holy infobot. Watch out for those red things, they do explode. See, when it comes to big piles like this, I just try to hit the explosive crates because it just blows everything up and makes it easier. Example. Infobot.
Dispense with the pleasantries, Lieutenant. My sources tell me you're behind schedule.
You
You must prepare this planet to be harvested for our new world.
Yes, sir. As you can see, everything is moving along as planned.
I'm counting on you, Lieutenant. And as your former commander can tell you, I don't take disappointment well.
Yes, sir. I won't fail.
Is he smoking an antenna as a cigar?
Another planet.
Wow.
Yeah, but if that's the kind of help he's getting, I don't think we have anything to worry about. You should not underestimate Chairman Drek. He is quite dangerous. We must find Captain Quark. Look, that lieutenant doesn't seem so tough. Let's take him out ourselves. Perhaps we can persuade the lieutenant to tell us where Drek is. Now you're talking.
Uh-huh. Now, here's a little fun fact for y'all who haven't played this game before. You kind of need the helipack upgrade to do this, but trust me. Right near where the Gadgetron vendor is, there is a little tunnel. And another gold bolt. I've never been able to find the third one, but I've tried. No luck. But still, you find a lot of bolts down here. I know some people would probably consider this a waste of time, but, blow up vehicles, you get coins. And I'm out of ammo. And at one end of this tunnel, there is a cab to get you back to your ship. But there's also a lot of bolts down here, and return to your ship. Little space cabbie will take you back to your ship on a nice little detour, looking ever so cute at the city. Nice view, though, despite it being so high up. And that will be it for this episode. On the next episode, we will be covering the Log World. This is Wing Knight 8868 signing off. Peace out.